In order to get a React application live with Nubo, the first step is going to be to configure an HTTP server. To do so, I'm going to install an npm package called serve. This is going to act as an HTTP server that will serve our static assets that are generated after we run our build script. Next step is going to be to configure our package JSON. We are going to add a new script to our scripts object here and call that start. In here I'm going to run a serve command and then pass in the output directory of our build, which in this case is dist. If I were using create React app, this output directory would be build. Once that's configured, I'm ready to deploy with Nubo. So I can commit these changes to my Git repository and head over to the Nubo dashboard. In here, I'm going to create a new project. I'll just call it Hello YouTube 2, for example. And then in here, I can add a new frame. It might take a moment for my repositories to populate. And once it is, I can select the repository that I just pushed to. This is running on port 3000. So I'll select that and hit deploy. On the right, the build logs are going to populate. This process can take a few minutes. I'm going to speed it up for us. Alright, looks like it was built successfully there. So I'm going to head here. It looks like this application port, for some reason there's a bug, and I need to change this to 3000. Head on over here. Looks like it is up and running, so I'm going to head on over here. It might just take a minute or so for it to fully get up and running. And there we go. This application is now live. That was getting an React application live with Nubo. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments section. We'd be happy to answer any of those. Thank you.